Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics. In this video tutorial, I will show you step by step how to buy Sundog. In the beginning of this video, I will tell you that this is not financial advice. Always make your own decision when you are buying a cryptocurrency. Okay guys, now we can start our video tutorial, and as you can see, we are on bitget.com, and I will tell you that Bitget is the best place to buy cryptocurrency and to trade, guys. So that's why I'm using Bitget to buy this crypto. If you use my affiliate link, which is in the description, you will get some bonuses, guys. For example, if you trade more than $50, you will get $10 trading bonus. And also, what is the most great thing about Bitget, it's that there are lowest fees on deposits. You can deposit money on Bitget with the lowest fees, and there are super low commissions when you are buying and selling cryptocurrencies, guys. So that's why I suggest you to use Bitget. Sign up. If you don't have an account, use the link which is in the description, sign up, and then you can follow me. Alright guys, once you will log into your account, you need to have USDT balance, guys, because we need USDT to buy other cryptocurrencies, and in this case to buy Sundog. So first of all, you can deposit money. To deposit money on Bitget, you can go to buy crypto in the top menu. You can go to the credit or debit card right here. On the top, you need to enter the amount of USD or any currency, guys. There are also currencies you want to pay, for example 100, and as you can see, for 100 USD we will receive 93.79 USDT on your balance. So click buy, enter your card details, and once you will have USDT on your balance, then you can go to the trade on the top menu, go to the spot trading. On the left side here is BTC/USDT. You need to hover over it with your mouse, and in the search bar you need to type Sundog. Here is Sundog/USDT, guys. You need to click it. Alright guys, now we can buy Sundog. If you want to buy this crypto instantly, you can place a market order, guys. Right here, choose market. Choose the amount of USDT you want to pay to buy Sundog. For example, I'll show just an example, 10 USDT, and click buy Sundog right here. Then you need to click confirm, and as you can see, I just bought Sundog on my Bitget account. Now I'll show you how to check your balance. To check your balance, you need to hover over the wallet icon on the top right, go to the assets, and then go to the spot account on the left menu. And right here you will see your Sundog balance, guys. So that's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.